Income Tax Return Filing Guide for Proprietors in the USA. Proprietors in the United States must file annual income tax returns with the IRS, following specific guidelines and deadlines. The process ensures compliance with federal tax laws while optimizing deductions for business-related activities. Registration and deadlines. 1. Obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN). Apply for an EIN from the IRS, if not already obtained. 2. File Form 1040. Proprietors must file Form 1040, which is the standard form for the income tax returns. 3. File Schedule C. Attach Schedule C, Form 1040, which reports business incomes and expenses. 4. File Schedule SA. Attach Schedule SA, Form 1040, which reports self-employment tax. 5. Tax Filing Deadline. File the tax return by April 15 each year. Required documents. 1. Business records. Keep accurate records of business income, expenses, and capital expenditures. 2. Invoices and receipts. Keep copies of invoices and receipts for business expenses. 3. Bank statements. Keep bank statements to support business income and expenses. 4. 1099 Miscellaneous Forms. Collect 1099 MISC forms from clients who paid more than $600 in a calendar year. Tax Forms and Schedules. 1. Form 1040. File Form 1040, which reports personal income, deductions, and credits. 2. Schedule C. File Schedule C, which reports business income and expenses. 3. Schedule SA. File Schedule SA, which reports self-employment tax. 4. Form 8829. File Form 8829, which reports expenses for business use of a home. Tax deductions and credits. 1. Operational use of a home. Deduct expenses for business use of a home, including mortgage interest, property taxes, and utilities. 2. Operational use of a car. Deduct expenses for business use of a car, including gas, maintenance, and insurance. 3. Business expenses. Deduct business expenses, including supplies, equipment, and travel expenses. 4. Self-employment tax. Pay self-employment tax on net earnings from self-employment. Penalties and interest. 1. Late filing penalty. A penalty of 5% to 25% of the tax due will be charged for late filing. 2. Late payment penalty. A penalty of 0.5% to 1% of the tax due will be charged for late payment. 3. Interest. Interest will be charged on late payments of tax. Record keeping. 1. Keep accurate records. Keep accurate and detailed records of business income, expenses, and capital expenditures. 2. Retain records. Retain records for at least 3 years from the date of filing the tax return. Additional requirements. 1. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Obtain necessary licenses and permits to operate a business. 2. File state and local tax returns. File state and local tax returns, if required. 3. Make estimated tax payments. Make estimated tax payments each quarter, if required.